Hello everyone! Today we will explain some ifs function. In previous lessons we speak about some if, not some ifs. Today we will explain some ifs. Let's go. First we want to know how much sells Ahmed in Saturday and Sunday and Monday. So we can choose formals and choose insert function and choose some ifs. Yeah, it wants some range. Some range is okay. My range, my numbers here, and I will press F4 from my keyboard. Then we have criteria range 1, criteria range 1, criteria range 1. I will put names from P2 to P30, and I will press F4 too. Criteria 1, I will choose Ahmed, and I will press F4. No, I will let it without F4. And I have criteria range 2. I want the date, and I will press F4. Criteria 2, I will choose the date from here, and I will choose Saturday and press F4, and I will press enter. So Ahmed, his sales in Saturday is 100. Saturday Ahmed 100. Very good. Okay, I will drag my function. So Hani sell 100, 600. Okay, I will search for Hani Saturday. Okay, 200. Hani Saturday 400. It is equal 600. Okay, it's nice. Osama Saturday 300. 300. Osama. Okay, 300. Okay, we will do the same function in Sunday and Monday. Okay, we will choose third function, some ifs. We will choose some range. We will choose cells, press F4, and then criteria range. We will choose the names, and we will press F4. Criteria 1, we will choose the name, and criteria range 2, we will choose date, F4, and the last we will choose Sunday and okay, sorry, criteria range we will choose and F4, and the criteria 2 we will choose Sunday and F4 and press okay, and we drag our function. Okay, we will do the same in Monday. Okay, let's go. Equal insert function to be easier, some ifs, some range. Okay, F4, criteria range 1, we will choose criteria range 1, we will choose named, and we will press F4. Criteria 1, choose name. Criteria range 2, date, F4. Criteria Monday, F4, and we press OK and drag our function. Okay, this is very nice. Okay, we are here two numbers. It is here equal number here, so my function is very good, and it is right. Okay, Monday Ahmed sells, Hani sells Osama sells. Mazen sells. Mazen in Monday he don't don't have doesn't have any cells. Okay, let's make sure Monday Mazen Monday no cells. So we finish our lesson today. Thank you for watching and see you later. Please subscribe our channel and leave a comment and make a like to our video. Thank you.